All right, so with my birthday coming up on May 2nd, I figured I'd do a video of my car, show you guys what I got going on. This has been a very slow and long build. The car was is a 94 twin turbo, 6-speed car. It was originally red. I think there might be some proof here somewhere. I don't know if you can see in there. It was originally red. Converted it to black. The paint on it is called Black Hole Black. It's from Kendeget Design in Utah, from Axo Nobel. Took the whole car down. I've been refurbishing everything on it, every single bolt. Unfortunately, the car was in an accident at some point in its life, and whoever repaired it did a very poor job. So I had to go back in and fix all of the previous repair work and do it correctly. Still a lot to do. Got the steering wheel done. It's from Custom Wheels on Instagram. Redid the seats. I took the seats off, the original material that was on there, steamed the foam. When you steam the foam, it gives it a nice new feel to it. The frames were sandblasted and painted. Same with the stuff you can't even see behind the dash. There's a dash support. I sandblasted, painted that. The steering column that you can't even see anymore has been redone. So we got a brand new dashboard in it, new airbag cover. The glove box lid is the original one because you can't get those anymore. Center console has been gone through, brand new. I put extra little tabs because the console usually breaks right here from people leaning on it. So I put those little rubber stoppers right there. There's one on this side too, right here. That's not usually there. It's usually just these two on the lid. Just that way it's got more support when it's closed. Completely did a custom color for the dash panels. I'm not too sure if I like it or not, but stick with it for now. Brand new e-brake. Got a little plastic over it, just keeping the leather good. New shifter boot. I got these rings. I did like a brushed, it's a little dusty. Did like a brushed finish on the rings. That's going to be the theme of the car. It's going to be brushed aluminum. Speaker pod grills have been reclothed. Re-dyed the plastic. This was all faded. Same with the top of it's a little dusty. Same with the top of the steering column. I re-dyed that. Painted the latches. Put brand new seals in. Just new seals. I haven't even rolled the window up, so new seals. I did not actually replace the molding. I was able to clean them up and make them look good. Brand new Toyota window, quarter window was installed. Seals. The car was completely stripped down and sound deadening was sprayed on the inside. So and even the doors, so it's a lot more quiet. not so tinny sounding. Let's see here, there's no sound on the fender, so I don't know how the quality is on my phone. Yeah. So that's what the interior is currently looking like. I did new buttons for the HVAC. These buttons right here, they get all yellow and nasty. So replaced all those. Key fob. Yeah. Back seats were redone. There's old lid sitting in here. I want to eventually redo the headliner into like suede or not suede, Alcantara or whatever, so you can like rub it. I think that's always really nice on headliners. I installed, or not fully installed, in a wire at least, but I did a JDM power folding mirrors. So I got the mirror switch. The US models or left-hand drive models that I'm aware of do not have this. So I had to cut out the hole or the clip behind the panel is there. They don't have the hole cut out. So cut out the hole, got the switch. You have to do a conversion for the mirrors with the housing and the internals to the US housings and internals, because normally it's a right-hand drive mirror because these are now power folding, and so the angles are off when you're sitting in the driver's seat, because it's usually you're sitting in the driver's seat on that side, so the angles are different. So completely redid the housing with the US mirror outlets and made that work. Stu Hagen was the first one that I know of that came up with the definitive solution for that. I don't know all the years that have it. It's a bit dirty, excuse me, but I don't know all the years that have the LED light in the door handle, but I replaced the LED in there. There's supposed to be a little ring right there. There is. I got that replaced with a new LED. Again, like I said, all new brake, e-brake parts are installed. Completely did the subframe. Some of it needs to be cleaned up. Yeah, it's a little dirty underneath there. The diff is a OS Geiken diff. Resprayed undercoating under the car. So it's got a whole bunch of new undercoating installed. You can see all the nice powder coating done. Probably add pictures. The front subframe was done. Here's an example of, I don't have the disc on, but this is all has, what's it called? Liquid mask. When I painted the car, I had liquid masks. So you can see that's a liquid mask right there. So it needs one final washing before final assembly or after it's done. Inner wheel well housings have been done with new undercoating. I've been working on the engine bay slowly. We're making lines. I cleaned up the ABS module unit, installed new brake booster master cylinder and clutch master cylinder. So those are now looking good. Those will be in an upcoming video. You can see the subframe. So the subframe is aluminum right here. So what I do is I sandblast that down and then hit it with a clear coat so that way it stays good for a lot longer than raw aluminum. The back side of the subframe is powder coated. The HVAC unit, I completely rebuilt, new foam. I think I have another video of doing that for someone else. I'm even like picky enough to clean out the inside of the ducts here. They have rubber. Got those completely cleaned out. Brand new little vents inside of there. I don't know if we can focus. There we go. You can see that. So nice they look. The wheel well is cut back quite a ways. The wheel well there, kind of see it. And trimmed so it can fit a wire wheel on eventually. These wheels that are on it are just old temporary wheels that don't mean anything. when I paint the door handles, you actually have to depen them to take them fully apart. Most people just hold the handle open and paint them. I completely disassemble them. And for like an example, the gasket that goes right along here, I use a plastic cleaner to clean that. A lot of people, for some reason, just paint them, but I don't think that's a good idea. So I use a actual plastic cleaner, so it looks like brand new plastic is put in place. I don't have it out here right now, but even the cowl, I re-dye it with a plastic dye instead of painting it. Everyone paints them, and I don't think that looks too good. I like the plastic look that's originally there. I have new floor mats that'll go in. New OEM floor mats, not knockoff ones. I don't know if you know if you're not in the Supra world. The new OEM floor mats that go in there are expensive now because they're discontinued. Yeah. There's still like minor things that I'll do eventually, like the trunk plastic in the back needs to be replaced. I just haven't gotten to that. Eventually I'll need a new trunk carpet because this one's got a rip in it. So, but that can wait. I want to drive it. It's been so long since I've actually driven the car. So yeah. Well, hopefully that'll give you an idea of my car. Maybe I'll start doing more content with it, especially when it's up and running again. It's definitely been long overdue on how long the car has been down, unfortunately. But I am excited to hopefully drive it again. So yeah, remember, if you enjoy my content, hit me with that like, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Appreciate it. See ya. Wow.